Hi, I hope in previous part of this video dashboard configuration objects are clear to you now. So let's dive into details of dashboard controls. As you can see, all available controls are showing under control node of Configuration Explorer. If you want to add or remove control, just right click any control node. You will find add control options and remove control options. Now if I select an existing control, see at the right hand side all control properties are shown here. There are 4 different categories of control properties. In general category, we have control name, its caption, what you want to see in dash pages. You have data sources. You have to refer data sources from the available list of data source. You can give the refresh interval, that is in minutes. It means in how many minutes data will be fetched from database. Control data can be viewed in 2 different ways. One is chart and one is data. In filter area, you have a filter type. There are multiple options in filter type. You can specify date filter as per your choice. Suppose you want to view the periodic cell in till date from beginning of the current calendar year, that is year to date, till date from beginning of the current month, that is month to date, till date from beginning of the current week, that is week to date, last 3 months, last 4 months. Even you can give a fixed date range as per your choice. Even you can give only today's filter. In this interval part, this is very significant portion of dash control. Suppose you want to show periodic cell till date from beginning of the current year at month-wise interval or day-wise interval. That viewing interval should be specified here. If you click on interval list, you will find sample formats also along with different interval types. That is, in long name of the day, the data will come as in this way: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Month number, it will come 01, 02, 01 means January, February, like this. Long month, short month, year to month, quarter of year, year to quarter, week of the year, month of the week. So there are several formats available and interval portion. Now comes to fields option. Fields are elements of data sources. As per your requirement, you have to make proper orientation of fields so that control presents meaningful information. This presentation could be viewed in data grid or chart format as per your choice in a control. These are the other 2 categories, that is chart options and data options. Whatever you want in your chart viewing area, you can specify different charts. You can specify the properties of a chart. In data options, you can specify various data properties that we will later on cover in other part. Now, while configuring a control, it is very necessary to see a preview of your controls. What data is going to come or what charts it is preparing. So whatever you want in your control, it should be viewed in a preview. GINESYS dashboard applications have these features so that you can preview your controls as you are configuring it in various options. So let's have a look of the preview. If you click on this show preview window options, it will show you the preview window. You can load the data. In general page, you have load data of dashboard preview. If you click on this, it will load the data. There is the options that is keep preview window on top, so it will never move. It will always come as on top. So now see, it is showing the data portion, the chart portion, and the pivoting options, the available columns that you can choose, your column area, your row area, your data area, and your filter area. With this right hand side of this preview is similar like pivot options in Excel. So by changing the properties, you can easily check whether the controls is presenting the data as per your choice or not. So this is how we can create a control. Now I am showing you how to create a control from scratch. Before creating a control, you must have your requirement clear to you. This would help you to identify right data source to get desired result. Let's check my requirement for this new control. What I am going to create now. I want month-wise POS sales in bar graph for complete calendar year till today, that is YTD. Let's check which data source would provide me this data. See, POS periodic sale is the data source where I can get the sale amount, that is POS sale amount, whether it is posted or unposted. I can get the data in a periodic level, that is interval, and also I can drill up to the geography also. So let me create one control with this data source. Add control. First you have to specify the name. You have to specify the caption. Then select the data source from the available data source list. I want chart data, so I can choose the chart only options. I have to specify refresh interval, say I specify 10 minutes. My requirement is to show POS sale in bar graph for complete calendar year till today. So I choose the filter type as YTD and I want to show it monthly. So interval I have to select, that is long month. Now after selecting this, what data is coming, I need to check that. So to check the data, I need preview options. Let me load the data in the preview. Now see, in right hand side all the available fields are showing. Interval, I will take interval to row area and the sale amount in data area. Now see what it is showing. See, my data is already showing my desired result. Now I have to configure the chart portion so that it can show me a bar graph. In chart options, it's a fixed bar graph, so user selection is not required. I don't want dynamic graphs, so I need to mark it no. Now see, it is showing all the month wise sale amounts, but one thing is odd here, that is grand total is also coming. So to remove this, I just check show grand total for rows to no. Now see, it is coming all 5 months data for my post sale. This is the chart, this is data area, this is the chart area. So if I am pleased with the result, I can save it. See my control created here. So whatever, if I need to change, if I need to modify anything, just click on the control, right hand side will show the properties. Whatever you want, you can change the properties. I can change the fields from sale amount to amount. I can change the caption of the field name. Now let's check the preview once again. See, it's showing amount. Earlier it was showing sales amount. So I'm pleased. So I save this control. So this is how we can create a control from the scratch, and after that we can assign multiple controls to a page. This I will show you in my next video, next part of this video. Thank you for listening.